All right, today we're gonna take out this steering wheel and put a new one. So this is a quick little DIY on how to remove the steering wheel on a BMW E46. You'll see that in a sec. All right, so in order to take this steering wheel out, there are two holes, which I'm gonna show you right here. If you can see right where my finger is. Let me see if I can put some. You see it right here, right where my finger is, and you're gonna stick a flathead, preferably. There's one on either side, and there's a spring in there. And that spring, when you push both of them at the same time, it's gonna release the airbag. So we're gonna do that right now. Okay, get the spring. Now the spring on the other side, and the steering wheel comes off. So now we're gonna remove the steering. You have these two clips on the airbag, and what you need to do is put a flathead right up on there and push it right out. I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so we just pop those things out. It's pretty easy. You just put the flathead right there, push up, it'll pop up the clip, and then just pull it out, and it comes right out. Now you need a 16mm to pop this bolt right here. I'm gonna do that right now. I already broke it, so we're gonna take it out. Take this bolt out. And there you have it. We've taken this out before, you know, because I had to take out the whole dash to paint it. But you see where everything's supposed to line up. What I'll do is I'll just mark it one more time. Get the marker and I'll mark my line. Now, the reason why we took this off, and I forgot to mention, these two clips, this black one and this black one right here, you just pull these out and they come right off. You see this like a little thing there, you push it down and you pull it off on both of them, and you can pull this thing right out. And we're gonna put all of that inside our new M3 fully carbon steering wheel, which doesn't have anything inside. So we're gonna put that in there. 2 seconds. When you look in here, there's a lot of components, so you got to remember exactly what you do when you're unplugging all these things to get it all out. All right, so I'm surprised I don't see no plugs coming out of this side, but I'm gonna most likely pop this thing out. As you can see, this definitely clips in, so we can pop this bottom piece out and we can go from there. So we took out the front piece of the steering wheel, which is like this piece right there, because I got to get all those switches. So basically you need to take out those 2 screws. They're located in the back. They usually stay in there. All right. And then this piece just literally pops off, just like this one. So you just pop it off. It goes, you know, it goes through these little rubber holes and locks in. You pop those off, and then you have this. What you gotta do is take out all the screws if you want to, because I like to work in pieces. So I got this, and then each of these buttons are mounted by 4 of these little screws, so you need like a little screwdriver. I got my handy dandy whatever this is. It's the only screwdriver that I had the size of the screw, so we're about to get it happen. Let's see. So as you can see, we have already transferred all the buttons from the old unit onto the new unit. Now what we're gonna do now is get the rest of these components moved from here to there and wrap everything up. Alright, so we were able to get everything out from the old steering wheel. All the buttons, all the inside mechanisms. Everything's plugged up, all the buttons are on, everything works. It was a little weird, but that's how it was. Everything's in there connected, so we're gonna go ahead and put the steering wheel back on the car in just a second. Alright, we just basically did everything in reverse. We lined up the steering wheel, we plugged up all the plugs, and then we just used the 16 and tightened up that bolt that holds the steering wheel down. And then it's just pretty much plugging up the airbag and just like popping it in. And all these buttons are working. Not bad, the car is dead now, but the steering wheel isn't. This is a super sick. I'm so in love with the steering wheel. Can't wait to catch some drifts. But this has been the this kind of wraps up the video for the E46 steering wheel replacement.